Welcome to this video explainer on YouTube's hashtags and tags. In YouTube, hashtags and tags are both ways to help viewers find your content. Hashtags are denoted by the hash symbol and are a way to group videos together based on a specific topic or theme. When users add a hashtag to the title or description of their video, it makes it easier for other users to find similar content. For example, if a user uploads a video about how to bake a cake, they may add the hashtag #baking to the title or description so that other users searching for videos about baking can find it. Users can also click on a hashtag to see a list of all videos that have been tagged with that specific hashtag. In addition to hashtags, YouTube also allows creators to add tags to their videos. Tags are descriptive keywords that can help viewers find your content. However, while tags can be useful, they play a minimal role in comparison to the title, thumbnail, and description of your video. The video title, thumbnail, and description are more important for your video's discovery because they help viewers decide which videos to watch. They give an idea of what the video is about and what they can expect to see in the video. These main pieces of information are what appear on the search results and video suggestions on YouTube, and they're the first things that potential viewers see. It's recommended to use around 3 to 5 hashtags in the title and/or description of your video and only use relevant hashtags that are directly related to your video's topic. Also, it's important to not use too many tags or hashtags as it can make your video look spammy and not giving enough information about the video. By using hashtags and tags, you increase the chances of your video being discovered by a wider audience. So, make sure to add them to your videos, but also pay attention to the title, thumbnail, and description. Here is a list of some of the top hashtags per category. Trending YouTube hashtags for gaming channels. Trending YouTube hashtags for food channels. Trending YouTube hashtags for fashion, beauty channels. Trending YouTube hashtags for entertainment channels. Trending YouTube hashtags for tech channels. Trending YouTube hashtags for education channels. YouTube hashtags for more views. YouTube hashtags for motivational channel. YouTube hashtags for vlog channel. Popular YouTube hashtags. YouTube art hashtags. Trending YouTube hashtags for music. Hashtags for funny meme videos. Viral hashtags for YouTube. Trending hashtag for YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Top of form.